Good morning, everyone.
Everyone. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Vihan,
ma'am.
Vihan, if you remember, turn on your camera, Vihan.
Ma'am, my camera is not working. I am
Okay.
turning on it and it is getting automatically
Ma'am,
off.
Okay. But
now
Vihan,
I can
if you
see.
have remember, I have told you in my last class also that please be regular. Then again, you were absent yesterday and you came today. Please be regular in the class. Come every day. Whenever is your class, then please come on that day in the class.
Ma'am, now I can see.
Is Diva Chauhan attending the other classes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
She's attending regularly,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
but he
Ma'am, she never, ma'am, no, ma'am, she never.
Sometimes.
No, ma'am.
Sometimes. Yeah.
Sometimes she joined.
what Jignesh is saying.
Ma'am, she does not attend regularly.
My class, she comes and she leave the class.
Ma'am, other
Same in
classes
other
also.
classes.
Same in other classes also, ma'am.
Okay.
Joins in
Okay,
other
no
class.
problem. Leave. Okay, very good morning to everyone.
Good
And I
morning.
Good
request
morning, ma'am.
everyone to sit with their camera on. Sit with your camera on. Aravapani, sit with your camera on, please. Krishav, just please adjust your camera and sit with the camera on. So, first, I will revise the previous types of the fractions which we have already covered. I will write the sum of the fractions here. You have to identify that this fraction is of which type, right? Now, I will write here.
Ma'am, we have to raise our hand and then we will choose her.
Yeah, you have to raise your hand. I am writing some fractions here.
Ma'am, three people
No,
has already raised.
yeah. So please raise your virtual hand and tell me this is which type of fraction. If I'm giving you these all fractions, these all fractions are the example of which type of fraction. Yes, Hare.
Proper fact.
These are proper fraction. Okay, but something else is also there in this fraction.
Ma'am, equivalent fraction.
I have to call the name of the child, Kritika. You need to wait. Yes, Mohammed Momin.
Ma'am, like fraction.
How they are like fraction? Their denominators are not same. Their denominators are not same. Yes, Arush.
Ma'am, improper fraction.
How they are improper fraction? This is proper. Out of 4 parts, you can give 2 parts. Out of 6 parts, you can give 3 parts. It's proper. Improper means when it is not possible to give, like out of out of 2 parts, you cannot give 8 parts to someone. Then it is an improper fraction. But out of 4 parts, you can give 2 parts. Out of six, you can give. So it's a proper. And something else is also there in this fraction.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, equation fraction.
Equivalent fraction.
Equivalent.
These are equivalent fraction because 2 upon 4 means 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4 is also the half. 3 upon 6 is also the half, means out of total 6 we are talking about the 3 parts. Out of total 8 we are talking about the 4 parts is also the half of that. Out of total 16 we talking about the 8 parts is also the half.
Yes.
And out of 14 we talking about the
7.
7. This is also the half of 14. So these are the examples of
Equal.
equivalent fraction. Clear? Equivalent fraction can be half, can be 1/3, can be 2/5, can be any. But if you see all the fractions are giving you the same value, these are the equivalent fractions. Clear? Can I go to the next fraction? Can you tell me any other fraction?
Ma'am, like fraction.
Like fraction. So can you give me some examples of like fractions, Dwani?
Yes, ma'am. 12 upon no 12 upon 15.
12 upon 15. The other example Pritika will give me, which should be similar to this. Now we are making the like fractions. उसका इससे relation होना चाहिए. One example she has given. To look at this fraction, group of fraction, you need to find the other like fractions.
Ma'am, can I give?
Yes, Hare.
13 upon 15.
13 upon 15. Yes, he understood that he should keep the denominator same. Yes, Asta.
Ma'am, can I see?
Ma'am, 7 upon 15.
7 upon 15. Yes, Vedi.
Yes, ma'am. 8 upon 15.
8 upon 15. Okay. Yes, Muhammad Momin.
Ma'am, 5 upon 15.
5 upon 15. So you can see that
Ma'am, can
here the denominator is same. So these are the fractions of which type of fraction? Like fraction.
Like
Opposite of this is which type of fraction?
unit fraction.
Opposite of like fraction.
Improper fraction.
Proper or improper आपका opposite.
fraction.
See, proper का opposite होता है improper. Like का opposite क्या होगा?
Ma'am, equal
fraction.
Unlike fraction. You have not learned that fraction?
No, ma'am.
Like and unlike?
No, ma'am.
Yes, we have done like with the same denominator, unlike where the numerator and denominator both are different.
No, ma'am, we have not done this.
In notebook, we have not done this.
Okay, so write if you have not done the unlike fraction. I'm writing here. Write about the unlike fraction in your notebooks. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 2 upon 5, 4 upon 5, oh sorry, 4 upon 6, 1 upon 8. So you can see in this type of fraction, numerator and denominator both are different. These are the example of unlike fractions. So got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Proper, opposite of proper is improper.
Improper.
Harsh Keshwani, you know how many minutes you are late in my class? 9 minutes late.
At my home, my light was gone, Dheer. I was
I'm not
joining.
talking to Dheer, I'm talking to Harsh Keshwani. You were there, I know. But Harsh Keshwani just now joined. Let me take the attendance. Here, Vihan, Harsh Keshwani, Laksh Dola, Jignesh, turn on your cameras, please.
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
Please turn on your camera, everyone. And please write fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Here, the denominator as well as the numerator both are different in the fractions. That these are the examples of unlike fractions. Please write it in your notebooks. I request everyone to please write it in your notebooks. because after 1 or 2 minutes, I'm going to see your notebooks. Yeah. Are you just looking and staring at me? Not writing? My dear, I request you to please write it in your notebooks and show it to me.
Ma'am, you can see.
Yes, I can see Pritika has done. Here? Yes, yes. Please write it in your notebooks, everyone. Yes, Mohammed. Good. Everyone, show me. Take your notebooks in your hand and show it to me that you are all writing. Very good. Arav Apani, well tried, but improve your handwriting. Yes, Pritika, put it down. Dhwani, Arush, Shivangini. Yes. Mohammed Momin, they all have shown me. What about the others?
I'm still writing.
Ma'am, you can see my.
Yes, Earth. So we have done equivalent fractions. We have done like and unlike, like with the same denominators, unlike with the different numerator and different denominators. Then comes the proper fraction. Can Dhwani give me some example of proper fraction?
Yes, ma'am. Proper fractions. Yes. 16 upon 32 to 4 upon 8, 12 upon
Yeah.
24.
These are the examples of equivalent fractions also. 12 upon 24, 8 upon 16, 16 upon 32. But these are proper also, because our denominator is greater compared to the numerator is smaller. Then it is proper. Means it is possible that if you have done 3 parts and you are saying 2 upon 3 is the fraction, total 3 parts, and you have eaten 2 parts. So 2 upon 3 is the proper fraction, which is possible. Suppose if I say 5 upon 4, 5 upon 4, this is not
Improper.
this is improper fraction. Why? Because out of total 4 parts, you cannot give 5 parts to someone. Then improper fraction, we will convert it into the mixed fraction. We are going to learn about the mixed fraction now today. Yes, Vedi, you want to say me something? Yes. Done. Yes, Shivani. Put it down. Yes, Asta. Good. So now, when it is a proper fraction, improper fraction,
Ma'am, I was writing.
my dear, you didn't told me that time when I was erasing. Now listen it, and you can write it in some another class. Suppose if I say 5 upon 4. So you say, ma'am, out of 4 parts, how can I give 5 parts to someone? Yes. Means if there was one pizza, you did 4 parts. Out of 4 parts, they have eaten 4 parts also completely. Means 1 part extra is there. That 1 part has come from where? Means they have used 2 pizzas, which are all 2 pizzas are done in the 4 equal parts. 1 whole pizza they have eaten, and out of the another pizza they have taken 1 part. So 4 upon 4 makes the whole, plus 1 upon 4, then only it will become 5 upon 4. How many pizzas are used here?
2
2
pizzas.
pizzas are used here to make it at 5 upon 4. Got it? So whenever someone tells you that I have eaten 5 parts, 5 upon 4 fraction, so what in your mind it should come that he has eaten 1 whole pizza, and from the second pizza he has eaten 1 upon 4. So how we write this mixed fraction into this way?
Ma'am, but if we will write your whole method, that is correct. No? So after adding them, so this will be improper only, no?
This will be right now it is it will be
Improper
some.
only.
No, I will tell you how to convert now. Now you have to write the mixed fraction in this way: 1 whole, 1 upon 4. So there are mixed means two fractions are together. One is about the whole, one whole pizza they have eaten, and out of the second, 1/4. So this is mixed fraction is a combination of two types of fraction. One fraction is whole and the another is proper fraction. ये proper आ गया ना इसके पास में. So this is the way of writing the mixed fraction. 1/2, 1/4.
Well, we have to write this in notebook.
No. First understand mixed fraction is bit little difficult, so it take time to understand. Okay. So are you all clear how to write the mixed fraction? 1/4. Another way of converting it into the mixed fraction is you need to divide. Okay, write this denominator here. 5 will go inside. Now it will be how many times the 4 is coming in the table of 5 is coming in the table of 4? 4 ones are
4 ones are 4.
and what is the remainder?
1.
1. The remainder which is there will always go up as the whole numerator. The quotient which is here will go as a whole number. The denominator will always remain the same.
Okay.
Can you see now it has done in this
So
way?
can you explain me again?
Yeah, I will explain again also.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
when you divide four ones are 4, you wrote 1 in the side. We can write the 1 on the top of 5.
Yes, here also you can write. 4 ones are 4.
4.
When you subtract, you all know division.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
5 minus 4 is 1.
1
And this 1 is the remainder.
remainder.
Now, after division, how we write it into the mixed? The remainder which is here will always go as a numerator. The denominator which is here and also here as the denominator will always remain the denominator. Denominator will never change.
Ma'am,
The quotient will go as a whole number.
if other example, then also it will be like this.
No, other example will also be written like this only. I will give you more examples. Okay.
If it will be 4
Hmm.
upon 8, so
2 upon 8.
4 upon 8.
4 upon 8 तो possible. 4 upon 8 is the example of proper fraction कि 8 में से 4 parts तो आप दे सकते हो. Give me something else so that I can explain you how to convert
Can
it.
I say
Ma'am, can
one?
I?
Yes, Shivani will give me one improper example. Only improper will be converted into the mixed. Clear, everyone?
13 upon 11.
13 upon 11. Yes, very good example. That out of 11 parts, you cannot give 13 parts to someone. Now, how to convert it into the mixed and how to see that how many other wholes are included in this? So, divide it. 11 ones are 11. What is the remainder?
Remainder is 2.
2. Remainder will go where?
Numerator.
Up.
Numerator. What is the denominator here?
11.
11. What will be go in the whole numbers?
1.
1.
1.
So you can see one whole pizza they have eaten, and out of the second pizza, they have done again 11 parts out of the second pizza and eaten how many? 2.
11.
So, so one
Ma'am, can I
whole
give you one
pizza,
example?
one whole pizza, how 13 will you will make? No, 13 pieces कैसे बनाओगे? दो पिज्जाज थे, दोनों पिज्जाज के 11 पार्ट्स किए थे इक्वली. तो एक पिज्जा तो फुल हो गया, which is 11 parts. Still 2 parts are remaining. So 2 parts will be taken from the second.
Pizza.
Okay, this is just for your explanation. But if in exam it will come, how convert the improper fraction into the mix, you have to divide it and convert it in this way. And you can check it also whether your answer is right or wrong. I will tell you now, please pay attention. How to check your answer is right or wrong. 11 into 1 is what? 11 ones are
11.
So denominator and the whole number will be multiplied, and after getting the answer plus the numerator. So 11 ones are 11 plus 2 will be 13 upon 11, means the answer which you have done in the mix is correct answer.
Ma'am, you did some, your marker was mixed, so
Yes, ma'am, the marker was mixed, so I was not able to understand.
Multiply the denominator with the whole number. 11 ones are 11. Plus the numerator 13. So the fraction is 13 upon 11. Means
okay, ma'am.
means your mixed fraction is right. Sometimes no, I have noticed what children do is they write like this. They don't know how to write it into the mixed after the division. So sometimes they write like this, and they can check also whether their fraction is mixed fraction is correct or not. 11 into 2 is 22 plus 1, 23 upon 11, which is wrong. It
Ma'am,
should come as the way you have written your question. 11 into 1 is 11 plus 2 is 13 upon 11. Then it is the way you have written this mix is correct.
ma'am, always the quotient will come 1.
No, not necessary that always the quotient will come 1. Not necessary that the always denominator and the numerator are also the same the way. No.
Excuse me.
You have to divide it and you have to write whatever is your answer.
Ma'am, can I give you an example?
Yeah, now give me Dhwani one example.
Ma'am, after Dhwani, I can give an example.
Yes.
Ma'am, after
Dhwani, give me.
Ma'am, I have one query.
I will ask you. Please raise your hands. Yes, Dhwani.
20 upon 100.
20 upon 100 is possible.
100 upon 20.
100 upon 20. So what you do is you have to divide. Denominator will be this. Now divide it. How many times the
5.
25 are
100.
100. So your answer will not come in the mixed. The answer is only the whole numbers, right? Nothing is in the remainder, no?
Yes.
Nothing is in the remainder. So your answer will be 5 only. 5 whole.
Only 5.
Yes. It will not be in the mix if nothing is in the remainder. Okay. Now give me Prakritika. So how many pizzas they have eaten to make 100? How many pizzas they have eaten? 5 pizzas.
5.
Yes. Pritika, give me one example.
9 upon 12.
9. It's possible. 9 upon 12 is the proper fraction. Improper fraction example though. Only you can convert improper into the mixed.
12 upon 9, sir.
12 upon 9. Remember it always, students. Only improper can be converted into the mixed. Clear, everyone? Now 12 upon 9. Out of 9 parts, you cannot give 12 parts to someone. Right. So what you do is you need to divide and check. 9 ones are 9. When you subtract, the remainder is
3.
Ma'am, 3.
So where the remainder will go?
Numerator. Up.
Ma'am,
Don't say up and down. We have the names of the fraction. We have a name
In
part.
the numerator.
So numerator is 3. What will be in the denominator?
9.
9. Because whatever is in the question, the denominator always remain at his own place. And where the quotient will go? As a whole.
One whole.
As a whole. This is will read as a whole. One whole. So how many they have eaten? They have eaten one whole pizza. And out of the second pizza, they have eaten 3 parts. Clear, everyone?
yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Asta, give me one example.
Ma'am, I have said that I will do.
Okay, tell me, Dheer.
Ma'am, 20 upon 15.
Acha, Asta is giving 20 upon 15. Now we will check after Asta Dheer will give. 15. In table of 15, 20 comes.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
20 is coming in the table of 15.
Ma'am.
So 15
No, ma'am.
ones are
15.
15.
15.
What is the remainder?
Ma'am, 5.
Where the remainder will go?
As in numerator.
Numerator.
What will be the denominator?
15.
15.
What will be the whole numbers?
1.
1.
say quotient will come in the whole numbers. If you say 1, no, so you will keep in mind that always 1 will be the whole number. No. I will give you another example where 1 will not come as a whole number. So say the quotient will come as the whole number. When you practice in this way, then only you will remember. If you say 1, you will always think that always the 1 will be the whole number. No. I will give you the example, right? Clear, everyone? And you can check it also whether it is right or wrong. 15 ones are 15 plus 5,
plus 5, 20.
20 upon 15. So it is also 20 upon 15. Means your one whole pizza, and out of the second pizza they have eaten 5 parts.
5.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I am giving you one example, then I will ask from Dheer.
Ma'am, who knows the answer can write the answer in the chat box.
Yes. Now, this is 23 upon 5. Tell me. 23 will go here, 5.
20.
5?
4 are 20.
Yes, 5 4s are 20. Remainder will be 3.
3.
So what will be the numerator if you are writing in the mix now?
3.
And 3.
What will be the denominator?
5.
5. What
Five.
will be in the whole number?
Quotient. 4.
4, which is the quotient. Clear, everyone? Now, Dhwani, you are clear that not, now you can see the 1 is not there in the whole numbers.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
to make it 23, there was the 5 pizzas. Out of 1 pizza, you have done 5 equal parts. So 4 pizzas complete he has eaten. 5 parts of this, 5 of this, 5 of this, and 5 of this. 20 parts they have eaten. And out of the 5th part, they have eaten 3 parts. So 4 whole, this always represent as a whole. So 4 whole, 3 upon 5 parts. Clear, everyone? So how you will say the 4 whole pizzas we have eaten, and out of the 5th pizza, 3 parts.
3.
Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, and it's correct also. 5 4 are 20 plus 3, 20.
Yes, 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23 upon 5. Means your mixed fraction is correct. You can also check your answers in this way. Okay. Now Dheer will give, and then I will give you the another examples. Yes. Dheer, please give.
Yes, ma'am. 15 upon 3.
19 upon 3. Yes. Now divide it. How many times? Yes, Dheer.
And 3 are 18.
3 6 are 18. What will be the remainder when you subtract? 1 will be the remainder. Where this 1 will go?
I'm in the numerator.
What will be the denominator?
80.
And 90. 90.
What will be in the denominator will always be the same. जो question में denominator है 3.
3.
And what will be in the whole?
6.
And question.
Quotient, which is 6. Children, if you are doing this also correct, but if you are not writing this in the wrong way, your answer will be wrong. ये लिखना आपको assemble करना आना चाहिए. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Agar if your assembling in the mix is wrong, your entire sum is wrong. You can check your answer
Okay,
also.
ma'am.
3 6 are 18 plus 1 19 upon 3. Now your mixed fraction is correct.
Correct.
Got it, everyone?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Okay. Now I am coming on the next topic. Types of fractions are clear to everyone, the different types of fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Revise it. I am going to ask is in the next coming classes. Now we are going to learn comparing.
And this we have to write
Who
in a
will-
notebook.
No, don't write. Just listen. What do you know about the word comparing means?
Ma'am, to compare.
Compare anything.
Suppose you have learned the comparing means that 15 and 18. You have learned the crocodile sign.
Yes, ma'am.
Crocodile will only open his mouth towards the bigger thing,
18, ma'am.
right?
Excuse
So
me, ma'am.
80, yes.
We don't have to write that we have written in every fraction with different
So you want to
denominator.
write about the definition of mixed fraction?
Yes.
Okay. I will write here, right?
Ma'am, mixed fraction definition we have to write.
Yes, right. I'm giving you.
Okay, ma'am.
Improper.
Fraction.
Yes, please write. Improper fraction that can be expressed as a whole number and a proper fraction are called mixed fraction.
We will not write example.
We will write. Mixed fractions are always greater than 1. Mixed fractions are always greater than 1. You know how they are greater than 1? आपने हमेशा देखा होगा. They are giving 2 whole and out of the third part 1/4. 5 whole out of the fifth part 3/5. So means it is greater than 1. Right? When whole number is coming, the fraction is greater than 1. आपका जब भी whole number आ रहा है किसी भी fraction के अंदर, then it is greater than 1. Please write this, then I will give you the examples. For example, 6/5, 7
Ma'am?
upon
Ma'am, can you move your
Yeah.
board little
7/4,
left? Yes.
7/4, 6/5 are the examples of mixed fraction. And when you convert, these are actually the example of improper fraction. When you convert them into the whole numbers, then it will be properly mixed. Please write them in the mixed also. Convert them.
And we have to convert it also and write.
Yes, convert it also and write. Improper fraction that can be expressed
They
as the
have to
whole number
divide.
and the proper fraction. Yeah, divide it in the rough notebook. How you will show, no? Because you don't know how to do verbally. You have to divide it in the rough work and find the answer. And tell me, how can I write the whole number for this?
Ma'am, the numerator will come inside.
I don't know, Dhwani. I have repeated many questions. Where the remainder will go, where the question will go, where the denominator will go.
Ma'am, it will be 1/5 and the quotient whole number will be 1.
So you should know how to read it. 1 whole, 1/5. So the mixed of this is 1 whole, 1/5. What is the mixed of this? 7/4. इसका भी mix बनाओ.
Hello, ma'am. 1 whole 3/4.
1 whole 3 upon 4.
4.
Yes. 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 7 upon 4. Yes, right, correct. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 upon plus 3, it will be 7 upon 4. Your answer is correct. Done, everyone?
No, ma'am, I'm writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Those
No,
who are
ma'am.
done, they can leave because other parts we will learn in the next class. Those who are doing, they can do. Thank you, students.
Bye.
Yeah, stay here in the class.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, bye.